Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. Seems to be an easy one once again. So let's remove the comments. And I will use A and B once again. So A, B, and I will give star background, and the background will obviously be this one. Let's paste it. Let me switch on the difference. So I'll use A to create this first. So first let's give position fixed to ensure that we have a visible A div. Now the width will be, I think, 40, and the height will be 100, and the background will be background will be this color. Paste. And now margin. So margin 100, 100, 110, 20, 30, 132. Now let's come down. 200, 170. Okay, 168. Okay, 172. And let's make it bigger, so 120. Yeah, now we use, okay, let me also give a color here. It will just make things easier. So now I can give a box shadow, and the box shadow will be 64Q and 0. 74, 84. Let's give it in pixels. 82, 80. Yeah. So now it's done for B. So B, and the height will be changed to 40 because obviously it is a square. Margin will be 100, 100. Okay, let's place it a little downwards, so 110, 20, 30, 40. Okay, 110, 20, 30, 132, and 92. Now I'll use box shadow, obviously, because now I will give, if that is 60, no, that's not 64, 80, 8, 16, 24. So 240 pixel and 0. Ow. 160? Yeah, 160 was correct. My bad. So the other one will be at 40 pixel, and we have to take it a little above, so minus 10 pixel, minus 40. Yeah. Next one will be, if that was 160, so I'll give 120 pixel and minus 40 pixel. Last one will be at 80 pixel and minus 80 pixel. Let's submit it. And it's 100% match. Great. Let's submit it again to see the final score. Ow. The mouse seems to have some problem. So our final score is 649.14. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.